this tutorial I'm going to talk about path nodes. As you can see here, this is one of our path nodes, and then if I just quickly navigate through the map and click on other path nodes, they'll see where they lead to. Okay. To add a path node is straightforward. All you do is add actor and then you'll have the path node there. Okay. What I'm going to do now is say play level from here, then say how you can add pods to. So at this moment in time we need the path building. So what you do is got the icon here. Okay. Right. So to add bots, all we do is we type in, click on tab, then we see the icon at the bottom. It says add bots. We can just add 3, press enter, and then we should have 3 bots added. As you can see there. Oh, good rather me. Hi, in this video tutorial I'm going to briefly talk about Kismet and Matinee tools. If you want to animate a static measurement, you first of all need to convert it to a mover or a K-actor. Okay, they both basically mean the same thing. Okay, once we've done that, we're ready to animate this fence. So we click on Kismet, this is the menu we get. So what we're going to do is a new Matinee. Okay, these are some of the features for the Matinee. We double click this, we get into the Matinee. Once we're in Matinee, empty new group, give it a sensible name, fence in this case. If you've got more than fence, obviously you can give it a number after that. Right click, and we're just going to add a movement track. So basically what we have here now is we're going to use this tool to move the actual fence. So it's just basically a timeline. This is going to be for 5 seconds. I mean, you can make this shorter or longer as you wish. So make sure that's added the keyframe, and then just move the mover. There, we moved it, so this is how the animation will occur. And to check the animation, what we do is that, and then we click on play. It sort of animates. It's going to happen. Okay. Alright. So what we need to do now is to have some sort of trigger, which then just makes the mover play. Okay. To do that, what we need to do is be back in here, right click, add actor, add trigger. Okay. This is our trigger. Double click on it. Into the menu, we want to make this bigger, so the collision height and radius needs to be bigger. So I'm just going to choose 120 for this purpose, but okay, that seems fine on there. Okay, I can then move this about as well if I so wish. You can play around with the radius and the height using this scale tool as well. Okay, once we're done that, we're back into just to Kismet. No, there you go. And then what we're going to do is add new event using the trigger. So basically, when the trigger's touched, the matching will play. Just drag this onto there. So when the trigger one is touched, matching will play. So to test this, all we do is we'll play level from here. So okay, nothing else is happening, so we need to go back to make it more useful. To the case editor. At this moment in time, this will only play once, so that's not good in this case. We want to put that to 0, so the play, every time the play goes, the door will open. But we also want to make it more useful, so when the player passes it, when it's not touched, when the trigger is not touched, the animation reverses. Okay, to test this from here, opens, I go past, it closes, so it reverses. One thing to notice as well is when you convert something into a mover, it loses collision detection. So these are static meshes, I cannot go past them. Okay, this is not a static mesh. I mean, obviously we've got a trigger there to open it, but it's not static. I'll let you guys figure out from the menu how to get the collision back on this. Okay.